Welcome to this guided meditation with Remy. Today, we'll be gently shifting our mindset to cultivate deep gratitude, elevate our vibration, and invite more love, abundance, and positivity into our lives. Gratitude is a powerful way to reprogram our minds, helping us cultivate positive thought patterns and build a mindset of abundance, while letting go of any limiting beliefs. By practicing gratitude, you can create lasting change and step into a more empowered version of yourself. I invite you to listen to this meditation every day for the next 21 days, whether as a part of your morning ritual or as a peaceful wind down before sleep. Have your journal close to you, so you can write down anything that came up for you that you're grateful for. This will help you embody this gratitude on a deeper level. So, find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in and gently release. Slowly close your eyes and let your body relax. As you breathe, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered. Let's begin by taking a moment to bring our awareness to our breath. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. With each inhale, allow yourself to feel more open to the abundance around you. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Now, bring to mind something or someone you're truly grateful for. It could be something small, like a warm cup of tea, or something bigger, like the love of a friend. Gratitude is a beautiful feeling. It is a gentle energy that expands in your heart and ripples throughout your body. As you focus on the things that you're grateful for, feel your heart opening, expanding with love and joy. Now think of a moment, today or recently, that brought you happiness, however small. Reflect on that moment. Allow yourself to feel the joy it brought and the gratitude you felt. Feel in your body how this gratitude shifts your energy. With each thought of gratitude, you are elevating your vibration, inviting in more positivity and good things. Gratitude helps us align with our higher selves and attract more of what we want into our lives. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any thoughts or worries that might be clouding your mind. You are here in this moment, centered in your gratitude, in your peace. Now let's deepen our gratitude. Think of your body. Thank your body for the way it supports you every day. Thank your legs for carrying you, your hands for creating, your heart for loving. Thank your mind for its wisdom and your soul for its light. Feel how your entire body is filled with gratitude, from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel this gratitude circulating in every cell. Now, think of the people in your life who bring you joy and love. Perhaps family, friends, or even strangers who have offered kindness. Feel how your heart swells with gratitude for their presence in your life. Gratitude helps us connect with the beauty of life itself in its many forms. Allow yourself to feel the love and light that surrounds you. So many blessings, big and small. You are supported, you are loved, and you are deeply cherished by the universe. Let go of any resistance or doubts. Trust that there is always something to be grateful for, even in the most challenging of times. Gratitude is a choice, and you are choosing it now. Feel the deep sense of peace and happiness that gratitude brings. Allow yourself to be filled with a sense of calm joy, knowing that all is well in your life and that things are always working out for you. As we begin to close this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly, grounding yourself once again in this moment. When you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Slowly move your fingers and toes. Stretch your body and open your eyes when you're ready. Now, take a moment to grab your journal and write down at least 10 things you're grateful for. Reflect on the deeper meaning behind each one. Allow yourself to truly appreciate the abundance in your life, big, small. This simple yet powerful practice will anchor your gratitude and remind you of the many blessings that surround you. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll begin to notice an abundance of things to be grateful for. Thank you for sharing this beautiful moment of gratitude with me. Take this peaceful energy with you throughout your day, sending you love, light, and deep gratitude.